Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch IPS touchscreen special for Mazda CX-9 27 to 2016 years. Okay. You can check there is special harness and canvas box for Mazda CX-9. This canvas box is special harness. This radio antenna will come with head unit. It works with factory Bose amplifier. It supports both. Okay, let me show it. You can choose setting. You can choose time. You can choose logo. You can check. Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose Mazda. You back the home. Okay, change the logo. You can adjust the SIM color on this panel. Gray, blue, any color you can adjust. You can choose the red. Okay, let me back the Belsee logo. Okay. All apps are here. You can check this built-in stream music, amplifier, Bluetooth, and easy connection, Google Maps, Google Play Store, Z-Link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It works with support Z-Link built in the model for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay, let me check the settings. It's built-in Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi, support hotspot from your phone. We check the BAT machine. You can check this MCU variant, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB, rack chip PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay. Now back. Okay, let me check the ROM. Storage. You can check. It's total 64GB. 64GB ROM. Okay. Firstly, let me introduce the Bluetooth from your phone. It's device name, pin number. Let me open my phone. Okay, please turn on your Bluetooth from your phone. Then click search button. You will get the device Galaxy S8 Plus. Click pair button. Your phone will get the command. Okay, put the 40, 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't pair. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, show connected and show Bluetooth. You can make phone call. Let me connect the small speaker for sound. I'm back. Okay, connect to the small speaker. You can make a phone call. It have touch sound. Okay, there's no problem for free phone call. And let me check the stream music from your phone. Okay, already connected. Volume from your phone. It's mute button, mute on, mute off. Okay, you can check there is two USB cable on back of head unit. It's a USB driver. It will play music automatically. USB 1. Okay, this is music. Let me show the video. Video disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. Setting car settings, driver setting, turn on the watch video. It's 4K Samsung 4K demo video. You can check Samsung 4K demo video around the world. Okay. It's built in the Google Maps. And it supports dual screen. It's a play music and supports Google navigation at the same time. This is Android Auto and CarPlay. Okay, that's all. Thank you.